This is your exam preparation channel. Subscribe so you don't miss any news. The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of y? The first step is to isolate y in one of the equations. Let's choose the second one. 9x plus y equals 72. So let's move on to the other side. The equation y equals 72 minus 9x will be given. See why. It's 72 minus 9x. Now let's substitute y here in the first equation. So it will be 18x. The y-coordinate is now plus 72 minus 9x, which equals 90. 18x minus 9x equals 9x. Let's move the 72 to the other side. Since it's a plus sign, it becomes a minus sign. So 90 minus 72, it was 9 times. It equals 18. Here it's a multiplication, so we move it to the other side as a division. So it becomes x equals 18 over 9. Let's do it here on the side. X equals 2. If x equals 2 and y equals 72 minus 9x, now we just need to substitute. Let's go. Y equals 72 minus 9x. Since x equals 2, y equals 72 minus 9 times 2. Y equals 72 minus 18. So y equals 54. Comment below if you also got this question right. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, give it a like, and see you in the next video.